In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Telegram video not playing. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is simply log in to your Telegram account. Well, actually, there are a few reasons why your video is not playing. One of these is your Telegram settings. So you just have to go to your settings. Okay, tap the three lines, go to settings, scroll down, and go to data and storage. Now you have to look for automatic media download. As you can see, we have when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. Make sure that both of these are turned on. So as you can see, when you use mobile data, you can also use photos, videos, and of course, internet. So as you can see here, your photos, videos, and files, this should be turned on. Okay, so that whatever files, it could be photo or video that you receive and you want to watch, you can play that video. You can watch that video. You can see that photo because you turned on this automatic media download. The reason why the video or a file is not playing because the file or maybe the video is corrupted. There is an error while you download it. So always make sure also that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or using a strong internet connection. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.